Hello guys, today we will discuss about the scissors skills activity book, which was very effective and very trending niche. If you this type of the niche work on, I told you you will be earn up to $30,500 per one on this activity of the scissor activity book only for the Amazon KDP. So without your wasting time, today we will start about the how you will be generate this type of the book and how much amount of the potential of this type of the books. So we should try to segregate all the things which was is the related to these books and how to develop this type of the books, what you will be do and how much amount of the potential to this. If you work on this type of the niche, please follow of this if this show this full the videos and you will be follow this type of the step, you will be easily earn up to the $1,000 per month. You will be easily this type of the scissor skills activity books, which was very easy to develop this type of the activity book. So we will go with without your wasting time, we will go to the first of all, then we go to the Amazons and you check out the Amazon so much this type of the we select this type of the books for the kids. If you search this type of the keywords in the Amazons, you see so much amount of the results will give. You see 20,000 results gives, and different books are the also represent in the Amazons, which was very effective. And you see so much the potential. You see the rating will be getting of these books is the $11,379 sorry 79 ratings are getting from these books from the customers. Also you see one another books which was is the getting 9,642 ratings will be given by the customers. And you see also this type of the books which is very trending topics, and you will be easily earn money from them, and you will be create so much amount of the money from this type of the books. This type of the books is not the much higher the component of these the books. You will be easily earn money from them. So you check out the different so many books are available for this niche. You will be easily see how much potential of these the books and how to represent of the this different book. What you will be do, you have to knowledge proper knowledge how to develop. So you will be decide how to vision how to will be create these books and what you will be do for this type of the books. You will be see different so many types of the books from particular this niche is available. If we search in different words, you will be definitely results will go on different way. This type of this is the products, not for books for kids. If you see kids fine, and also you see this is none of books kids books and different niche you will be select easily. You see this is the result is very much low. You will be easily getting your if your books is very much goods and good content, you will be easily in the first page of your this the Amazon's KDPs. And if you see Amazon KDP is the listed is without any investment, you will be earn up to $1,000 per month easily from the different these one books. And I also give the some so much amount so much videos upload in my channels. You will be easily check out this the videos and you will be earn up to $1,000 per month easily from this the KDP Amazon KDP direct publishing books. And you will be earning a good amount of the money from this website in Amazon. And you see Amazon is right now is the each and every country in the entire world. So you will be go any country from them, so you will be create the books and you will be publish on the Amazons, and you will be easily sell these books anywhere in this world without doing anything. So this type of the niche and this type of the topic we will discuss in my YouTube channel. So please check out my channels and subscribe my videos, and please like and share and subscribe my videos. So you will be more and more potential we gives, and we will check out we will discuss about the different so many topics. So please check out my all the videos. So we'll go to the this book seasonal skills activity preschool workbook for the kids. You see how much potential of this book. So we will go to the Excel sheet, and we first of all the copy of these books titles and how much amount of the these books will be earn money from one single books, which we calculated how much amount of the money they will be. And if we go to the rating, how much the rating they will be given by the which was this the purchase these books. So we put out these values, and if you go to the how much amount of the the listing price is the $5.99. $5.99 are the listing price. You see this the listing price, we put the values here, and how much amount the costings of these particular these books for the Amazons. publishing these books. So we go to the Amazon royalty printing cost and royalty calculator. We select the paperback. If you see the paperback is the here, they are the given by the paperbacks. Format of these books is the paperbacks. And then after we will require the how type of the papers they will be used. Three type of the papers mostly used: black and white interior with the white paper, black and white interior with the cream paper, premium color interior with the white paper. You see. Then after the how much amount the page, because the Amazon will be costing of the any books with main factor is a page. Then after how much amount of the pages they will be printing, so they will be easily costing of the any books from the number of page. So we put out the 84 page. You see the number of page is 84. We put out the value of the page count is the 84, and then after select of the marketplace, amazon.com, amazon.com, amazon.ca, amazon.co .uk, amazon.de. These different countries or marketplace will be we standard select the amazon.coms. And list price, how much list price of the this book. So we show $5.99 is the list price on this book. So we calculated clicking of the calculated, we saw list price of this book is the 5.99 US dollar. Minimum list price is the 3.58, because the minimum list price of this book particular 84 pages, and this type of the requirement you will be required at 3.58 US dollar will be minimum list price of the books. If you 3.58 US dollar, your profit estimate royalty will be 0, and printing cost is the 2.15 US dollar. So you will be you will be calculate all the royalties. Is estimate royalty is the 1.44 US dollars. So we put out the value is here 1.44 US dollars. We saw 1.44 US dollars. We put out the values, and we copy the format. So you will be easily how much amount of the potential of these monies. We calculate the 8964 into 1.44. So we get some the values of books. You see this point will be missing. What happened? Okay, so you see your earning potential of these particular these books is equal to $30,884.48. You see, this is the power of this the KDP. You will be easily earn money from this type of the only for if you making these books, and you will be published on the Amazon KDP. You will be earn money up to this type of the amount of you will be earning money. So you see, this is the potential of the Amazon KDP. This is the potential. You easily earn this type of the money. If you see how much amount of the time will be required for the creating this type of the scissor skill book, you will be very if you give the only for 2 hours 120 minutes, if you give, you will be easily you will be create this type of the books and publish on the Amazons. So please all the videos check out, and you will be earn so much good amount of the money from these the books. So we'll go to the in my PowerPoint, and you see how to create this type of the books. So we go to the PowerPoint, and you will be see this type of the different scissoring activities will provide to the in these books. You see the vertical cut, horizontal cut, inclined cut, so many types of the cuts, and round cuts, curve cuts, zigzag cuts, circular cuts, star activities of this the objective, different so many objectives, and different activity going to this the books. You will be easily creating very easy, and how don't so much time to take this type of the books. You will be easily creating this type of the books. So please check out all the videos of my videos. You will be easily earn money from them. You will be create so much amount effectively, so much amount of the money from the Amazon KDP. Please check out the all the videos. Please like, share, and subscribe of the all the my videos. Thank you. Please subscribe my all the videos and watch out the all the videos.